horrible bad car accident, and we're thinking about returning it because it belongs to the HEB, the Heath, and alright guys, and this river is really like muddyish. Like, I don't know, it's not really clean, and it's really messy. But it also looks kind of like the sewer drainage in the video games Grand Theft Auto 5. Got that ultimate graffiti, you know, that every under bridge passageway has to have to keep it entertaining. We got Ezra with me today, rocking this joint. Yeah, this thing is, I don't think there's any fish in here. I just think it's like gummy, like, I don't know. There is minnows in here. Let me see if I can find some. Yeah, if you can see them. No, they're quick bastards. Yeah, there's lots of them. And, you know, we're just waiting for that local hippie, like, homeless guy to come out and scare us. Because apparently there actually is a homeless guy that lives under that bridge. And he scared the shit out of my Ezra. And it was really terrifying, I guess. But I wasn't with, or else I would use my ninja karate moves on him. But there is these tunnels that we're thinking about checking out. That was the first one. The second one's over there, which we're walking to right now. Yeah, see, there's those minnows. Yeah. They're quick. Okay, there's the tunnel. There's like some homeless guy or something that probably lives in there. We want to check it out, but we're going to do that. We're going to save that for another video. But it's pretty creepy-ish looking. There is coughing in there. I don't know. I think we just heard something. I think we just seen somebody coughing that was in there. There is homeless people around here, guys. There's lots of homeless people that like to live under the bridge. And they scare the shit out of us all the time. But that's okay. Look at somebody with these hard-ass fucking footsteps. Like, they just had to stomp on this concrete and indented the shit out of it. Ezra, what did you think of that tunnel?
Pretty scary. I apologize if there was somebody in there, just in case we bothered them.
Yep, there's a lot of sleeping people around here. Like, they'll just sleep any little places that they can find. Like, under the bridges or in weird-ass tunnels. And they like crashing shopping carts down here. Like, there's a lot of shopping carts that just get embangled. And I don't get it because they're hard as hell. Like, you can't bend a shopping cart. We tried taking a normal shopping cart that was down here and hitting it into the cement, and it did not work. guys, we're gonna wrap the video up here. If you like the videos, comment, subscribe, and do whatever makes you happy.
Stop, but you know